Hi there. Very good morning to all of you. And this is Simply Talks Now, and welcome to my channel. And today I'm going to talk about alkyl amines. Will it continue to perform the performance that it is doing, or should one avoid the stock at these elevated levels? So let's get started. First of all, disclaimer that this is not a stock recommendation. People taking any position to any share that I talk about should do that with their own due diligence and research. And I'm not in favor or against any company that I talk about. Before I talk about alkylamines, here's a small request that kindly support me on Patreon, and once you do that, it will help me grow the channel, help you also ask me questions in greater detail. Once you get the $10 membership, you will have access to my portfolio, my watch list, and a number of podcasts that I put up from time to time. And also, if you pay $100 upfront, which you can do any time of the month, then you get 1 year access by paying for only 10 months. That's a 20% discount you get. For detailed market or company talk, you can directly email me and we can work things out with a fee. Now about the company established in 1979, Alkyl Amines manufactures and supplies amines, amine derivatives and other specialty chemicals. These are extremely high in demand in various industries from 2017 onwards, and the prices started to go up from those times. Serves a number of industries, as I said, agrochemicals, pharmaceuticals, rubber, paints, etc. And we have seen the demand surge as the Indian economy in this field have done better over the last 4 or 5 years. It also produces fine chemicals and specialty chemicals. So basically, it is a one-stop hub for all sorts of chemical products. And the stock has gone up 10-15x from the lows, say, of 2014-15. The market cap of the company is 22,000 crores at the moment. If you look at the financials of the company, then the sales have gone up by around 62%. Profit has risen by 86% in the fourth quarter, and that is why the surge in the stock is taking place. It is a virtually debt free company. There's high promoter and decent institutional holding, but 23% free float is there. So there is a decent amount of you can say public shareholding in the stock, and that's why the stock has remained volatile with between 5 to 10% moves up and down that we see in the stock. So it is a volatile stock at that. If you look at the stock performance, then stock has been 4x in since August 2020. It has gone up a lot over the last 1 year or so, from 1000 levels, 950,000 levels, all the way to 4400 now. So more than 4x it has gone. China emission bans has been a big positive for chemical companies in India. Yes, most of the business is not that a lot of business is coming in, but even in say few percentage term, if the business is coming in, that is a huge positive for India. And 2-3% of the business shifting to India is what these companies are getting. The larger you can say chemical companies are getting from China. Currently trades at 35 to 37 times earnings FY23, which is not at all cheap when you're looking at 2 year forward earnings. But the growth has been exceptional. If the growth continues, that I think valuations will remain the same. It did fell 40% in the March 2020 fall, when all stocks were going down in Feb March. This also fell, but that was a time to buy, and has recovered smartly. And there has been a relentless buying spree in this stock ever since that fall. So it may consolidate here, may move up. The thing is, it has run up a lot, and it seems like very difficult to have the courage to buy at 43, 4400 now at around 45 times earnings, current earnings. If you look at the technicals, then the major support looks like around 3000, and that is where the major support lies at. The 200 DMA is around 25, 2800. So it is at 43, 4400. The major support is all the way down to 3000. That is why even for trading it is difficult to buy at these levels. Probably what you can do is you can buy above 42, 4300, which is the current level. Major up move is expected now. The way it is breaking out, we could see 5800 levels. But if I am an investor, I would like to buy the stock at around 35 3600 on a decline rather than buying at current levels. So that would be my you can say way of investing into the stock. So what needs to be done? I would not take say positions, fresh positions into the stock at the moment. If you have it, then hold with a deeper stop loss of 2000, or if you really want, then 3200 would be a stop loss that you can look at. Have a 5+ year view, and I think it will continue to perform. If the numbers are coming in, then I would say that you would be looking at the stock rising higher. I could see even say 5800 coming into the stock over the next 6 months if the numbers keep coming in, but it is extremely hard to buy at these elevated levels. So this was a video on alkyl amines. Please like and subscribe my channel, hit the bell icon so you can get my videos straight away when I post it. Thanks a lot for watching.